While the East Coast and West Coast were dominating the headlines, South Florida was creating a sound unlike anything else in hip-hop. During the mid-1980s, Miami bass emerged with booming 808s, fast tempos, deep bass, and party-driven lyrics. One of the first artists to help establish Miami sound was MC Shy D. Although he was born in New York, he became one of the earliest rappers to shape Southern hip-hop after moving to Atlanta recording in the South. His influence stretched beyond one city and helped connect Miami bass with what would become later Atlanta bass. Then came Two Live Crew, led by Luther Luke Campbell, also known as Uncle Luke. The group pushed boundaries with explicit lyrics and bass-heavy production. This sparked one of hip-hop's biggest legal battles over free speech, helping shape the future of artistic expressions in rap. Other important bass pioneers include DJ Magic Mike, DJ Laz, 95 South, 69 Boys, and Poison Clan. This music dominated the clubs, skating rinks, and car audio competition throughout the South. Miami bass became one of the first major Southern hip-hop movements. As Miami bass spread throughout the South, Atlanta began developing its own style. Artists like Kilo Ali, Raheem the Dream, MC Shy D, and later DJ Smurf, who would become Mr. College Park, built on Miami foundation while adding Atlanta's own flavor. Atlanta bass became a staple in the clubs, skating rinks, and street parties throughout Georgia. More importantly, Atlanta bass laid the foundation for what would become one of the South's biggest movements, crunk. As Miami bass and Atlanta bass spread across the South, another unique sound was taking shape in New Orleans. The sound became known as bounce. Bounce emerged in the late 1980s and early 1990s, combining fast tempos, call and response chants, and heavy bass. One of the first artists to popularize the sound was DJ Jimmy, whose 1991 song, Where They At, became a bounce anthem and helped define the genre. Around the same time, groups like Partners in Crime and UNLV helped spread bounce throughout New Orleans. As the movement grew, legendary producers like Manny Fresh incorporated bounce rhythm into the music he produced for Cash Money Records, helped bringing the New Orleans sound to a national audience. Artists like Juvenile, BG, Turk, and eventually Lil Wayne blended bounce with Southern street rap, creating a sound that dominated the late 1990s and early 2000s. Master P founded No Limit Records and built one of the most successful independent empires in music history. The No Limit roster included Silk the Shocker, C Murder, Mia X, Mystical, Fiend, Mac, Soulja Slim, and producer Beats by the Pound. At the same time, Cash Money Records was another powerhouse. While New Orleans was building empires, Houston, Texas was creating one of the most unique sounds hip-hop ever heard.